reading, researching, and finally writing a literary analysis on a page of text that makes little sense. That's why the MPhil students of Centre for Performing and Visual Arts of University of Kerala decided to perform the Malayalam adaptations of Merchant of Venice, the renowned play by William Shakespeare, first time for Shakespeare fans in Thiruvananthapuram. The annual production of the theatre students is directed by J. Tulasidhara Kurup, while the translation is done by Vishnu S. The centre has a track record of enacting Shakespearean comedies on stage in the previous years as an academic production. The students involved in all aspects of the play such as acting, production, stage presentation, sound and it all, than restricting themselves to the acting part alone. The lead character Shylock is enacted by Santosh Venyaramud, Portia by Lakshmi S. Unnithan, Bassanio by Kannan Nair and Antonio by Hazim Amarabila. The comedy strip of Lancelot Gogo is performed by Reju Kolliekode. The translation and selection of characters was more challengeable before the creators when decided to perform, saying J. Tulasidharan, the director.
Shakespeare and Bhasha വളരെ എങ്ങനെയത് മനസ്സിലാക്കും പലപ്പോഴും പ്രോസിലുപരി പോയട്രിയിലാണ് അദ്ദേഹം എഴുതിയിട്ടുള്ളത്. പക്ഷേ ഇതിനെ ഒരു പ്രോസിൻ്റെ രൂപത്തിലേക്ക് കൊണ്ടുവരികയും അതുപോലെ കടുകട്ടി പദപ്രയോഗങ്ങൾ മാറ്റി ലളിതമായ രീതിയിൽ ആൾക്കാർക്ക് കമ്മ്യൂണിക്കേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്ന രീതിയിലാണ് ഇതിൻ്റെ ഡയലോഗുകൾ റീറൈറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് ചിട്ടപ്പെടുത്തിയിട്ടുള്ളത്. അതുകൊണ്ട് തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും എല്ലാവർക്കും നന്നായിട്ട് എൻജോയ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുമെന്നുള്ളതിൽ യാതൊരു തർക്കവുമില്ല.
The play performing with elaborate scenery and staged with music and dance. They often sought pictorial effects in authentic historical costumes and sets. Several of Shakespeare's comedies have an unusual tone with a difficult mix of humor and tragedy, which has led them to be classified as problem plays. No doubt, every Shakespeare fan has his or her own shortlist of the bard's greatest work. Exploring Shakespeare play is challengeable, but what these people have found is that giving pupils a point of access discovering the characters for themselves can be a different way of getting into the arts. Today, the capital city is going to witness Merchant of Venice, the renowned play by William Shakespeare in his Malayalam adaptations on stage. In my back, you can see that the final touch is going on. This will be a great experience to the Shakespeare lovers who can see their favorite characters lively on stage. The creators and the theatre students behind the curtains are still expecting a great round of applause from the audiences of Thiruvananthapuram. With the camera person Rakesh, Shiba Sultan, ANN News.